Alright, let's make the easiest comfort food ever, miso soup. First we boil some water. Nothing fancy, just let it dance a little. When it's almost boiling, grab 1 spoon of miso, press through a strainer like a little magic trick. This is chopped seaweed. Now drop in a bit of seaweed. If you got hondashi, just a tiny sprinkle. No hondashi? Then chicken stock? Sure, just a baby pinch. Add some soft tofu cubes like tiny delicious pillows. Let it bubble for a moment, nice and gentle. Meanwhile, slice your green onions super thin and drop them right into your serving bowl. When the soup is ready, turn off the heat. Pour that beautiful steamy miso soup right over the green onions. And that's it. Super simple, super comforting, and super yummy. Enjoy your miso soup. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks. 안녕.